This is the Iowa Weather Report for Monday, June the 3rd, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon at 500 millibars. We have one system moving in from Ontario into a Quebec province. We have another system diving into the northern Rockies and northern High Plains. And that's going to be the storm we'll have to watch later in the week. But today, however, we'll have mostly to maybe partly sunny skies with highs in the 60s to lower 70s with increasing clouds from west to east by late in the day. The rain showers will move in later tonight into Tuesday. Some showers and thunderstorms. Severe weather is looking a little bit unlikely, mainly to our west and south at this point, but we still could have some rainfall around with highs in the 60s to lower 70s. This continues into Wednesday early in the day as the high pressure over James and Hudson Bay begins to nose itself back in from the north and east, so it will dry us out a little bit with highs still remaining quite cool around 70 degrees or so. The rain moves mainly to our south and east by Thursday. We could see some lingering showers, but with dry winds coming out of the east and northeast, that's going to keep us fairly dry and fairly cool with highs in the upper 60s to low 70s. And this looks to continue even into Friday with the high pressure over Lake Superior. Most of the rain along the eastern seaboard and down into the south and Gulf Coast, especially with a tropical wave or system moving across Florida and up the East Coast during the week this week. And on Saturday, we have to watch another storm system come in across the Plain States with some showers and thunderstorms. There may be even some severe weather with this as well, but we'll have to wait and see on that. Some rain also across the northeast and mid-Atlantic. The system over the plains dives into the middle Mississippi River Valley down into the Red River Valley of Oklahoma and Texas here on Sunday. So we could see a little bit of rain, but mainly to our south here on Sunday. A week from today, next Monday, that system with the closed core low over southeast of St. Louis, maybe near Paducah, Kentucky. That'll keep us quite cool with a ridge developing over the south and west. It'll be very warm and quite hot there, but around here it'll be quite wet, quite cold, quite cloudy, and quite not like June weather, with highs mainly in the 60s to lower 70s, quite a theme this week. A couple days after that, as we head into Voodoo here on June the 14th, we have a system moving across New England. We have pretty much a zonal flow across most of the rest of the country, a ridge over Oklahoma, Texas, and New Mexico. That'll keep them mainly dry, and they'll be happy to see that with all the bad weather they've had over the last couple of weeks. A little bit of activity across the eastern seaboard, some over the northern high plains and northern or upper Midwest, but little, if anything, around here. Seasonal weather, and that looks to continue even in here into the 18th of June at the end of the forecast. We have a system moving in across the prairie provinces of Canada. That'll be diving a small trough into to our northwest, but a ridge around here is going to keep us fairly warm, but still a little bit showery with some showers and thunderstorms possible. But temperatures won't be cold by this point. By mid-month, it could be at or maybe slightly above average for this time of the year. Satellite image from last evening showed a cold front moving across the eastern seaboard with some showers and thunderstorms along it. A tropical wave moving across the Yucatan Peninsula and western Cuba, and some showers and thunderstorms over those southern high plains. The watch warning map from last evening shows a severe thunderstorm watch over West Texas and New Mexico. Some frost and freeze advisories, very uncommon over Minnesota, Wisconsin, and the UP and lower Michigan, and some flooding issues continue in the Midwest. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall amounts across the state could be anywhere between a half an inch and an inch and a quarter, but the heaviest rain looks to be across South Florida.